Jamaica is a beautiful island nation with a rich culture and history. But did you know that it is also home to some of the wealthiest people in the Caribbean? In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 richest Jamaicans and how they made their money. These are the people who have achieved success in different fields such as banking, telecom, tourism, and more. Here are the top 5 richest Jamaicans as of 2023. Number 5 is Usain Bolt. He is the world's fastest man and the most decorated sprinter of all time. He has won 8 Olympic gold medals and 11 world championships in track and field. He has also ventured into business, launching his own clothing line, restaurant chain, and electric scooter company. His net worth is estimated at $500 million. Number 4 is Chris Blackwell. He is the founder of Island Records, one of the most influential music labels in the world that launched the careers of artists such as Bob Marley, U2, Grace Jones and Amy Winehouse. He is also the owner of Island Outpost, a collection of luxury hotels and villas in Jamaica and other countries. His net worth is estimated at $800 million. Number 3 is the now deceased Gordon Stewart. He is the founder and chairman of Sandals Resorts International, the leading hotel chain in the Caribbean that operates 24 resorts across 7 countries. He is also the owner of ATL Group, a conglomerate that deals in automotive, appliance and media businesses. His net worth is estimated at $1 billion. Number 2 is Joseph Matalon. He is the chairman and CEO of ICD Group, a diversified holding company that has interests in finance, real estate, construction, energy, and logistics. He is also the chairman of the Development Bank of Jamaica and a director of several other companies. His net worth is estimated at $1.2 billion. Number 1 is Michael Lee Chin. He is the founder and chairman of Portland Holdings, a private investment company that owns businesses in various sectors such as banking, media, healthcare, and tourism. He is also the chairman of National Commercial Bank Jamaica, the largest bank in the country. His net worth is estimated at $2.7 billion.